In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wix Pro Gallery to your website. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, sharing your latest photography, or simply want to add a visually stunning gallery to your site, the Wix Pro Gallery is an incredibly versatile tool. It allows you to display your media in a way that's professional, customizable, and engaging for your audience. I'll be walking you through the entire process step by step so you can feel confident adding this feature to your site. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, and let's get started. First things first, log into your Wix account and open the editor for the specific website project where you'd like to add the Pro Gallery. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure you've selected the right one so you're making edits to the correct site. Once the editor is open, you'll see the familiar layout of the Wix dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools on the left-hand side of the editor. That's where most of the magic happens. Next, locate the website where you want to add the Wix Pro Gallery. This is important because every project has its own unique customization, and adding the Pro Gallery will enhance the visual appeal of that specific website. Once you're in the right project, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu within the Wix Editor. Now, click on the plus icon, which is represented by a small plus symbol in the left-hand menu. This button allows you to add new elements to your website, and the Pro Gallery is one of the many options available. After you click on the plus icon, a list of categories will appear. Hover over the gallery option. This will display all the different types of galleries that Wix offers. You'll see a variety of options here, but we're focusing on the Pro Gallery today. Hovering over the gallery section will give you a chance to explore the different layouts and designs available. Once you're ready, select the Pro Gallery category to preview professional-grade gallery templates. These templates are designed to complement a variety of website styles. So whether your site is sleek and modern or colorful and bold, there's something for everyone. Take your time to choose a gallery template that matches your website's overall style and theme. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to web design, so opt for a template that blends well with your existing content. Once you've made your selection, the gallery will be added to your page. Now it's time to manage the content of your gallery. Click on Manage Media to access the gallery's content management window. This is where you'll have full control over the images, videos, and other media that will appear in your gallery. To start fresh, click Select All to highlight all the existing media within the gallery. Once everything is selected, click Delete to remove the current media content. Don't worry, this won't remove any files from your Wix storage. It simply clears the gallery so you can add your own content. With the gallery now empty, click Add Media to upload new files. You can choose photos, videos, or other media directly from your device or from your Wix storage. Take a moment to upload the files that best represent your work or the story you're trying to tell. Once your media is uploaded, it's important to title each item. Adding titles makes it easier to identify your media and can improve your website's SEO, helping your site appear higher in search engine results. Be clear and concise with your titles while keeping them relevant to your content. Finally, don't forget to add descriptions to each media item. Descriptions provide context for your audience, helping them understand what they're looking at and why it matters. They also enhance engagement and can add another layer of SEO optimization. And that's it. You've successfully added the Wix Pro Gallery to your website and customized it to fit your style. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.